Hello parents, teacher Nilu is here with a new game. I want to tell you how you can teach animals to the children. First, you have to make two groups of animals, wild animals and farm animals. In this game, we learn farm animals. Again, I'm using Peppa to go to the farm and meet the animals, learn their names and their sounds. Let's see. Teacher Nilu, Ryan and Peppa are here. Daddy, Peppa wants to go to the farm. Come with us.
Bong bing boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bongly boo, bing bong bingly bongly boo.
I am at the farm. What animals are here? Let's see. Oh, moo. What are you? I'm a cow.
With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo.
Okay, can I ride you, Mr. Cow? No, you can't ride me. Oh, let me go and see more farm animals. What are you? I am a sheep.
With a ba ba here and a ba ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba ba.
Ah, you're so cute, Mr. Sheep. Can I ride you? No, you can't ride me, Peppa. Okay, are there any more animals at this farm? Yeah. Okay, let me go and see them. Ah, what are you? I am a horse. Nay, nay. You are so beautiful. Mr. Horse, what do you say?
With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh.
Can I ride you, Mr. Horse? Of course. Yay! I can ride you.